Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix hardware code not detected in TikTok Live Studio. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok Live and make sure you have the updated version of TikTok. And if you do not have it, you can simply get into Play Store and update it. So if you see this update button over here, you can simply tap on that and update it. And if you have already updated it, and you can try restarting the device as well. And even after that, if it does not work, simply go on to profile icon and click on this three-lined icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. So over here in the bottom, you can see report a problem option. Simply tap on that and click on live, and we can see we don't have the option as per our problem. So let's click on suggestion for TikTok live and click on need more help. Now you need to simply type your message here that you want the problem fixed, that is hardware code not being detected in TikTok Live Studio. Simply write your message and send it. And once it is done, you'll get a reply from help desk of TikTok and your problem will finally be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.